The Enjoy Reconstructive Conditioning Treatment is the ultimate solution for buildup and restoring hair health. Step 1. Wet your hair and spray Enjoy Clarifying Spray, ensuring even coverage. No rinse needed. Step 2. For those with excess buildup, shampoo with Enjoy Balancing Shampoo, focusing on the scalp. For those with light to medium buildup, shampoo with Enjoy Clarifying Shampoo. Shampoo twice if necessary, and rinse thoroughly once the shampoo foams. Step 3. Spray Enjoy Intensive Reconstructing Spray generously from roots to ends. This protein-rich formula strengthens and revitalizes your strands. Step 4. Apply Enjoy Hair Mask to mid-lengths and ends. Comb through and leave on for 2 to 5 minutes before rinsing. For deeper penetration, use heat with a processing cap for 5 to 10 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. Towel dry and spray the Enjoy Conditioning Spray to detangle and condition. For ultimate shine and softness, apply a small amount of Enjoy Hair and Skin Treatment Oil to damp hair. Style as desired and enjoy hair that's rejuvenated and ready to shine. Find us at usphair.com to learn more about our products and find your perfect match.